Good morning everyone. So today we are starting our sixth bit. What is the sixth bit? Write different two-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4 and 5. Check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. So with the given numbers it will be divisible or not, we have to see. So first what we have to make, they have given three different type of digits. With the help of that three different type of digits, you have to form two digits number. Okay, so now check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. We have to also check. Okay, so now what is this? This is sixth question, sixth solution. So first what we have to write, the two digit number numbers formed with 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5 are, so what are the two digit numbers here? 34, and you can take it as 35, 45, next 53, 43, and still what you can write, and 54. So whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9, we have to check. So for that I am drawing one box. So what are given numbers here, you do first. This is two digit number. And divisibility rule of 2. Next is divisibility rule of 3, 5. Rule of 5 and rule of 6, and last is rule of 9. So what is the first digit here? 34. So whether this 34 is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9 or not, we have to check. So 34. So what is divisibility rule of 2 here? Last digit should be even number. So 4 is an even number. So you can write here, yes, it will be divisible. Yes. Next, rule of 3. What is rule of 3? We have to add these two digits. 3 plus 4, that will be equals to 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3 here. So you write here, no. Next, divisibility rule of 5. What is divisibility rule of 5? Last digit should be 0 or 5. But in this case, it is 4. So it is not divisible. Next, rule of 6. If in rule of 6, both 2 and 3 should be satisfied. But here 2 is satisfied, 3 is not satisfied. So rule of 6 will also be not satisfied. No. Next, rule of 9. What is rule of 9? Same as rule of 3. That is, sum of digits should be divisible by 9 here. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is not a multiple of 9. So it will be no. Okay. So next is 35. Now, so is it divisible by 2 here? No, because last digit is an odd number. So it is no. Next, add these digits. 3 plus 5 will be 8. 8 is not multiple of 3, so no. Divisibility rule of 5. Last digit should be 5 or 0. It is 5, so S. Next, rule of 6. Both should be divisible, but here both are not divisible, so this is also no. And rule of 9 will be, we have to add these two. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is not a multiple of 9, so no. Okay. Next digit is 45. So now, again, last digit should be even number, but it is odd number, so no. Next, rule of 3, we have to add this. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so it is S. Next, rule of 5, last digit should be 5 or 0, it is 5, so it is S. Next, rule of 6, both should be divisible, but only one is divisible here, so it is no. And rule of 9 is we have to add these two. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So 9 is a multiple of 9. It will be S. Okay. Next number. What is next number? 53. Now you add this first. Rule of 2. Last digit should be even number. But 3 is a odd number. So it is no. Add here 5 plus 3 is 8, so it will be no because 8 is not a multiple of 3. Next, rule of 5, last digit should be 5 or 0. So but here it is 3, so it will be not divisible. No. Next, rule of 6, both should be divisible, but both are not divisible, so it will be no. Rule of 9, we have to add this. 5 plus 3 will be equals to 8. So 8 is not multiple of 9. So it will be no. Next one is 43. Again, divisibility rule of 2. 3 is a odd number. But in divisibility rule of 2, it should be even number. So it is no. Next, add here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3. So it is no. Rule of 5. Last digit should be 5 or 0. So it will be no. Here, rule of 6. Both should be divisible, but both are not divisible. That's why no. Rule of 9. Both we have to add. That is 4 plus 3 will be equals to 7. So, 7 is not a multiple of 9. So, it will be no. So, last one, that is 54. So, 4 is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. Add these two numbers. 5 plus 4 will be equals to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3 because that is S. Next, rule of 5. Last number should be 5 or 0, but it is 4 here. So, but because it is no. Next, rule of 6. Both should be divisible. In this case, both are divisible. So, you will write here S. Next, rule of 9, sum of digits, we have to add this. 5 plus 4 should be equals to 9. 9 is a multiple of 9, so it is S. So, in which cases they are divisible? In case of 2, 34 is divisible and 54 is divisible. In case of 3, which are divisible, 45 is divisible and 54 is divisible. Next, in case of 5, only 45 is divisible, 45 and 35 is divisible. In case of 6, only 54 is divisible, and in case of 9, only 2 are divisible. What are that? 45 and 54 are divisible. So, this is our 6th solution. Okay, copy it. Next is 7th one. Seventh solution. So what is that? Write the smallest digit and the greatest possible digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number is formed is divisible by 3. So they have given some blank numbers, blanks. So in that you have to fill the smallest number and also a biggest number, greatest possible number. That means digit. Okay. So and after forming a number, it should be divisible by 3 there. So, what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. So, first you write the divisibility rule of 3 here. So, what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. Okay, so what is the first one here? So whatever single digits here, which values we will call it as digits? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to 9. We will call these numbers as digits. So which smallest digit we will substitute here and which is greatest digit we will substitute here to make the whole number as divisible by 3 we have to check. So what is the smallest digit and what is the greatest digit we will check here. So smallest digit will be 2. Okay, so if I take 2 here, 2, 6, 7, 2, 4. Add all these numbers. 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. So that will be how much? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 12. 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 4 will be 21. So 21 is divisible by. So 21 is divisible by 3. So therefore 21 is divisible by 3. Okay, so we got the smallest number as 2. Now greatest number, greatest digit. Greatest digit is 5. Once you substitute here, so add these numbers. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. So add this, how much you will get? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 5 will be equals to 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible. So this whole number will also be divisible. Okay. So next one. In second one. What is second one? 4, 7, 6, 5, blank, 2. So what is the smallest digit and what is the greatest digit we have to find? So which is smallest digit we can substitute there? We can substitute here 3. So add 3 here. 4, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. So add all the values. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. So if you add, how much you will get here? 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So 27 is a multiple of 3. So the whole number will be divisible by 3. So 27 is divisible by 3. So 4, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2 is also divisible by 3. So now we have to find the greatest digit. So what is the greatest digit? So I am writing the smallest digit and greatest digit directly, but you have to check by taking 0 first. After that, take it as 1. If it is not satisfied, take it as 2. In that way, you have to check. But I am writing it directly. So next is, what is the greatest digit here? 9. So greatest digit, which greatest number you will substitute here to get it as divisible by 3? I have to substitute 9. So it will be 4, 7, 6, 5, 9, 2. Add these all numbers. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 is equals to how much it will be? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. 21 plus 7 will be 28. 28 plus 5. 33. 33 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible. So that 33 is divisible by 3. So therefore 4, 7, 6, 5, 9, 2 is also divisible by 3. Okay, so this is our second one. Last bit we will see. So what is the last bit? What is the last question they have given? That is 7, 2, 2, 1 blank 5. So what is the smallest and what is the greatest we have to check? So smallest digit is equals to 4. Okay, substitute here 4 first. 7, 2, 2, 1, 4, 5. In blank I am writing it as 4. So add these all numbers. 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to how much here? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 2 will be 21. So 21 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible. 21 is divisible by 3. So 7, 2, 2, 1, 4, 5 is also divisible by 3. Okay. Now we have to find the greatest digit. Greatest digit is 7. So substitute in place of this 7. So it will be 7, 2, 2, 1, 7, 5. So add these all numbers, whether it will be divisible or not, we will see. 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 5. So if you add this all, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3. So it will be divisible. 24 is divisible by 3. So therefore 722,175 is also divisible.